Malt Liquor on a Saturday, fuckers. Lobster fucking Utz Chips. Good God.
Everybody's high on consolation. Everybody's trying to tell me what is right for me. Yeah. My daddy tried to bore me with a sermon, but it's plain to see that they can't comfort me. Sorry, Charlie, for the imposition. I got the strength to carry on, yeah. I need a drink and a quick decision. Now it's up to me who I will be. She's gone, I better learn how to face it. She's gone, I pay the devil to replace her. She's gone, and she's gone. What went wrong? Get up in the morning.
Shout out to Save the Macaroni Salad 79. That fat piece of white trash. What a piece of shit. Need to do yourself a favor and all of us a favor. Shut your fucking channel down. You fat piece of shit. That dishwashing job you did back in the day at the Graham Country Buffet in your local town. Terrible. Make sure this shit's running because you about to get some exclusive. Panther 40 ounce. Good guy. Just misled. You're doing it wrong, buddy. Steaks low and slow. It's not how you do it. Google Hangout's not the way you do it. You drink malt liquor on YouTube. And you're very good at it. So do it. These lobster chips taste like fucking old pussy. So I'll have another. Vagina in a bag right here, folks. That's what it tastes like. Doesn't hold a fucking candlestick to fucking Utz crab potato chips, the best fucking chips ever invented. Shouts to the Chesapeake Bay. Shouts to the Susquehanna River. Shouts to the Atlantic Ocean. The only place where, say, the polar bear 79 can bathe is the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific. Gulf of Mexico possible. But that fat dumb piece of shit lives in the Midwest. You know that motherfucker ain't showering. You know his macaroni eating self ain't doing shit. Shouts to German potato salad. Delicious, nutritious, absolutely refreshing. Get it from Pizza Watson. Delicious. Oil vinegar, your red potatoes, your pieces of bacon bits. Good. Yeah, so good. Eat only German potato salad, you fat pieces of shit. Only German potato salad. It's delicious. And I'm not even fucking German. Speaking of that, I have Italian sausages on the grill. I am Italian. Not on the grill yet. parsley flakes, red wine vinegar, garlic cloves, your onions, your green peppers. You fucking mix it all up. You let it sit for an hour or two. You go, you make yourself a malt liquor video. You get your chimney fired up. You get it as hot as you can get it. You cook your peppers and everything like that, and just, I usually use it on the crock pot a little bit, you know, just get them nice and moist and get it broken down. And I just fucking throw it on the grill for that hot heat. Get that grill flavor going with the searness and everything, and that taste and the juices flowing. And then I throw them back in there with the peppers and everything. I cook the peppers as well on the grill to get them nice and hot, get that flavor. And then I just do a mixture back and forth, you know, low, slow cooking it, you know what I mean, hot and slow. A lot of people don't do it like that. I like to do it. I did it one weekend drinking and came out magnificent. I've never cooked steaks low and slow on the grill though. Never. Don't fuck up a good steak. All you need on a good steak is salt and pepper, you know, and some steak sauce if you really want to get out there. So for you motherfuckers smoking fucking steaks, you need to go smoke a pole. You cook the steak, you're done cooking the steak, you let it sit for 5-10 minutes. Yellow Groove told you. You better fucking know it by now. Bought this for you today at the store. Grabbed it in my hand like, this motherfucker is so small, dude. So small. Same way when I grab my pizza. So small. Don't even know how I take a leak every day. Shouts to Vagina in a bag. Shouts to Save the Macaroni. Shouts to 79's blood pressure fucking skyrocketed through the roof. He's gonna be fucking dead in a year. Keep washing dishes, bitch. I need my dishes washed. Fucking cunt. Google Hangout, piece of shit. You started all this. And it was cool when it was all the drinkers, but then you brought in a lot of losers that never been on here, don't even make videos on YouTube, but you brought out a lot of fucking losers. Guys with no lives, no nothing. Guys are pieces of shit. Guys are terrible.
Look in the mirror. I'm on as a toothbrush hanging in the stand. Yeah. My face ain't looking any younger. Now I can see love taking her toll on me. She's gone. I better learn how to face. She's gone. I pay the devil to replace her. She's gone. What went wrong?
Now this is a song for you fucking cunts. You fucking
In 12 feet, come to a complete stop.
Pieces of shit.
Recalculating. In 1 mile, arrive at a place where you make your own lane, only to discover it has traffic jams too. Your all-new compass.
So we're still recording 10 minutes, Montana.
street one day. A man came up to me and asked me what the time was that was on my watch. Yeah, I said, does anybody really know what time it is? Does anybody really care? If so, I can't imagine why. We've all got time enough to cry. I was walking down the street one day. A pretty lady.
So is Malt Liquor, go fuck your mother. It's not like this fucking skinny, frail, fucking old piece of shit over here offered me Coors Light 2 weeks ago. I'm not drinking that Coors Light cunt shit. That cunt. I'm not a Coors Light cunt, folks. I'm a Malt Liquor entertainer. I'm not no sorry sack of shit. Drink Malt Liquor on YouTube, you're successful. You're successful on YouTube, you're successful in life. This is, see, you're beating a dead horse right now. Beating a dead horse, Montana. Telling you guys over and over and over and over and over. Won't fucking listen. Comes a car. Malt Liquor. Ice cold. Black Metal Troy. Don't get hung up over Lydia. It's the internet. She lives in Chicago. You live in Texas. It's all fake, buddy. Sorry to tell you that wrestling's fake. Sorry to tell you that this YouTube shit is not real. You meet a couple good, genuine people on here, and you know, we all stay in the inner circle. Some people talk, some people don't. I honestly don't talk too much, but it's not that I'm not declining to talk to these people. It's just I make my videos and do what I do. Somebody's willing to meet up that's close, I'm down. Just finding time. It's a magnificent day out here. About 77 degrees in the middle of July out here in Maryland. Right outside of Baltimore, Maryland. Beautiful. Absolutely nutritious, delicious. Japanese maple tree. Beautiful tree. Bitches. Cut it right there. I gotta call somebody.